You make $100,000 a year. So why does your bank account look like you're still broke? No yacht, no financial freedom, and somehow, still checking prices at the grocery store. Today I'm exposing the $100,000 salary lie and why in 2026, six figures feels like barely surviving. Let's do the math. Explosion symbol 4 decades, $100,000 meant you made it. Nice house, new car, vacations, breathing room. Now, it means stress, subscriptions, and asking yourself, where the hell did my money go? This video isn't about vibes. It's about numbers, and they're brutal. First lie, you don't make $100,000. Let's be generous and say you live in an average state. Federal taxes, state taxes, Social Security, Medicare, police cars revolving light poof. Police cars revolving light, your $100,000 just turned into $72,000 real fast. That's $6,000 a month. And we haven't even lived yet. Now let's talk housing, because rent doesn't care about your dreams.